If you feel like you're dusting nonstop, you're not alone. But can your air filter actually help cut down on all that dust floating around? The short answer is yes, but it depends on the type of filter you're using. Think of your air filter like a lint trap in a dryer. Some traps catch just the big stuff, like pet hair. Others are designed to catch finer particles like dust, dander, and even pollen. If your current filter has a low MERV rating, it's probably missing a lot of the fine dust particles. Upgrading to a pleated filter with a MERV 8 or higher can help trap more dust before it settles on your shelves, TV, and that picture frame you keep forgetting to wipe. Also, don't forget to change your filter regularly. A clogged filter can't catch anything, and it'll just recirculate the dust you're trying to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'm Miranda, and next time we're talking about how air filters can help with asthma. If you know someone who's constantly battling dust, send this their way. It might save them a few hours of cleaning. If you have more filter questions, be sure to follow us on Instagram too.